How to do market research with ChatGPT, a comprehensive 10-step plan for small business owners. Join us as we delve deep into the world of market research with ChatGPT. In this video, we offer a carefully prepared 10-step plan for small business owners looking to do comprehensive market research with ChatGPT. Get ready to unlock valuable insights and take your business to new heights. Prepare yourself for an exceptional, thorough, and intricately designed guide that will lead you through a detailed exploration of ChatGPT's remarkable capabilities and features for conducting market research with outstanding outcomes. This guide is tailor-made to empower small business owners, helping them not only to survive, but to thrive and dominate in today's fiercely competitive, fast-paced, and ever-changing business world. Step 1. Clearly define your research objectives. The initial and unquestionably crucial step for carrying out efficient market research is to clearly express, establish, and outline your research goals with utmost clarity, precision, and thoroughness. Thoroughly outlining, explicitly stating, and precisely specifying the goals and desirable outcomes of your market research endeavors is crucial. By utilizing this approach, you can effectively tap into the vast power, flexibility, and unparalleled precision of ChatGPT to obtain invaluable insights that will form the strong cornerstone and unwavering basis of your decision-making processes. Consider this scenario. Think about a new fashion startup that wants to understand and analyze customer preferences and track emerging market trends effectively. This will give them the power to make informed decisions using data, allowing them to create products, set pricing strategies, execute effective marketing campaigns, position their brand strategically, and shape their business strategies to truly connect with their target audience. Step 2. Tailor ChatGPT to suit your industry. To fully optimize the impact, significance, and practicality of ChatGPT within your specific industry or field of expertise, it is crucial to undertake the journey of customizing and tailoring this exceptional AI model based on the distinct requirements, obstacles, complexities, and peculiarities that are prevalent within your industry. To accomplish this, ChatGPT must be curated with meticulous care, carefully selected, and thoroughly trained using industry-specific data. The data must capture a wealth of context, offering a comprehensive understanding of the underlying dynamics, emerging trends, significant challenges, and untapped opportunities that define your industry. Customizing ChatGPT for your industry with meticulous attention to detail will enable you to unleash its full potential, giving you a unique competitive advantage that will elevate you above your rivals. Consider this scenario. Imagine a technology company dedicating considerable time and resources to training ChatGPT with enormous amounts of industry-specific data. This process allows them to gain valuable insights into emerging market trends, competitor offerings, customer preferences, and behaviors, and constantly evolving technological advancements, all of which can effectively inform their business decisions. Step 3. Craft highly refined and well-structured queries. To unlock the full potential of ChatGPT, it is crucial to master the art of formulating well-crafted and precisely tailored questions and queries. It is vital to ensure that these questions and queries are well-structured and thoughtfully designed. You must be extremely meticulous, thorough, and diligent in your approach to ensure that each question you ask enables you to obtain the most relevant, accurate, and meaningful information that will serve as the lifeblood of your market research efforts. By carefully crafting your queries, you can get detailed responses from ChatGPT, which can offer valuable insights into customer behaviors, preferences, needs, desires, challenges, expectations, and emerging industry trends. Consider this scenario. A small business in the highly competitive food industry that formulates highly specific and targeted queries to understand intricate consumer preferences, emerging dietary trends, market gaps waiting to be filled with innovative ideas or products, and new opportunities for groundbreaking product development. Step 4. Engage in dynamic real-time conversations. One of the most outstanding aspects of ChatGPT is its interactive nature, which allows for engaging in dynamic real-time conversations with this innovative AI model. By harnessing this remarkable ability and fully exploiting its limitless potential, you can unlock a wealth of invaluable insights that empower you to delve into alternative scenarios, unearth covert patterns in consumer behavior or market dynamics, and achieve an unparalleled level of comprehension concerning your market research goals. Engaging in dynamic conversations with ChatGPT allows for a deeper exploration of customer preferences, motivations, pain points, aspirations, expectations, and invaluable feedback, which can significantly shape your strategic decision-making processes. Consider this scenario. Picture a small tech startup using ChatGPT to have meaningful conversations and gather valuable insights about customer issues, needs, and desired product features. They can also identify opportunities for innovation and improvement in their products or services. Additionally, these dynamic conversations also provide an excellent opportunity for businesses to obtain invaluable feedback directly from customers. Step 5. Thoroughly analyze and interpret data. After collecting valuable data from ChatGPT through conversations, it's important to carefully analyze and extract meaningful insights from this information. Using advanced data analytics tools and techniques, you can efficiently process enormous amounts of data and gain valuable insights. These insights will be vital for your strategic decision-making. The data gathered from ChatGPT provides valuable insights that can reveal critical patterns, trends, correlations, and connections among different data points, empowering you to make well-informed strategic business decisions. Consider this scenario. Consider a small e-commerce business using ChatGPT to thoroughly analyze data, uncovering consumer trends and purchasing patterns. This helps gain deep insights into emerging market demands and potential opportunities for product diversification and expansion. Moreover, this analytical process also enables businesses to identify innovative marketing strategies or avenues that can fuel the growth trajectory. Step 6. Seamlessly incorporate findings into decision-making. Integrate the invaluable insights gained from your interactions with ChatGPT seamlessly into your decision-making processes across all aspects of your business operations. It's crucial to incorporate these practical insights into the strategic decision-making frameworks that shape product development, pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, customer engagement efforts, operational optimizations, and overall business strategies. By diligently and meticulously incorporating these valuable insights into your decision-making processes, you can guarantee that your decisions are not only well-informed, but also grounded in evidence, driven by data, and perfectly in line with the ever-changing needs, desires, and expectations of your discerning target audience. Using ChatGPT findings in decision-making ensures that business strategies are based on solid data-driven evidence rather than just intuition. Consider this scenario. A small business thriving in the competitive hospitality industry uses the ChatGPT insights that were researched to customize marketing campaigns, accurately targeting specific customer preferences, and ensuring exceptional customer satisfaction levels. Step 7. Ensure robust data privacy and security measures. Data privacy and security are extremely important when conducting market research using AI-powered tools like ChatGPT. Strong measures are crucial to protect against data breaches, privacy concerns, and cyber threats in today's digital world. Businesses must make data protection a top priority by rigorously complying with data privacy regulations, obtaining the required consent from participants or users whose data is being collected or processed, and implementing advanced security protocols. Safeguarding data privacy not only instills trust between businesses and customers but also ensures compliance with legal requirements. Consider this scenario. A small healthcare business uses ChatGPT for market research. They need to ensure that any data collected through ChatGPT complies with industry-specific regulations like HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. This ensures the highest standards of patient privacy are maintained while safeguarding sensitive healthcare-related information. Step 8. Acknowledge inherent limitations of ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT is undeniably a revolutionary AI technology, boasting remarkable natural language processing, conversation generation, and deep comprehension abilities, businesses must utilize this model to recognize its inherent limitations. Approaching the insights from ChatGPT with a balanced perspective is crucial. It's important to recognize that while ChatGPT offers valuable insights, it has limitations in replicating human-like conversation dynamics and fully comprehending complex contextual nuances. To use ChatGPT effectively, it's important to be aware of its limitations. This will help you interpret its insights with a critical mindset and make the most of its strengths. By acknowledging these limitations, businesses remain open-minded about seeking additional information from other sources or consulting domain experts when necessary. Consider this scenario. For instance, imagine a small educational institution utilizing ChatGPT for market research. It's essential to recognize that although ChatGPT is fantastic for conversations, it might not have the expertise to delve into highly complex academic research topics or intricate theoretical frameworks. Step 9. Invest strategically in resources and infrastructure. To make the most of the incredible potential that ChatGPT presents as an extremely powerful tool for market research, businesses should strategically invest in developing a skilled team consisting of individuals with the necessary expertise to interpret, analyze, and extract valuable insights from the vast volumes of data generated by this AI model. Make sure your organization has the right technological infrastructure to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into your existing systems, workflows, and operational frameworks. Invest in skilled human resources and build a strong technological infrastructure to maximize the benefits of ChatGPT. This will guarantee optimal utilization of ChatGPT's outputs while maximizing the value you can extract from it. Strategic investments in resources facilitate enhanced efficiency, accuracy, and productivity when utilizing ChatGPT for market research purposes. Consider this scenario. A small finance business can benefit from hiring data analytics experts who have deep domain knowledge. The expertise of these professionals will be crucial in interpreting and analyzing the valuable insights generated by ChatGPT. Their contributions will assist the business in making well-informed and strategic decisions. Through strategic investment in resources and infrastructure, the company can guarantee access to the expertise and tools needed to fully leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. Step 10. Continuously evaluate and adapt. Market research is an ongoing process that requires constant evaluation, adaptation, and iteration. Small business owners must continuously assess their market research efforts using ChatGPT. This involves regularly reviewing the insights obtained, tracking key performance indicators, and comparing the outcomes with the initial research objectives. Businesses can improve by embracing a culture of learning and adaptation. This helps them find areas to improve, discover new opportunities, and stay ahead of market trends. Consider this scenario. For example, a small online shop utilizing ChatGPT for market research. It is essential for them to consistently analyze customer feedback and behavior patterns. By doing this, they have the opportunity to enhance their product offerings, refine pricing strategies, and tailor marketing initiatives to meet customer needs more effectively. Conclusion. Conducting thorough market research with ChatGPT can be a game-changer for small business owners. Businesses can unlock the potential of ChatGPT and gain valuable insights, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the competition by implementing this thorough 10-step plan. Every step in the process is vital to the success and growth of small businesses in today's ever-changing marketplace, from clearly defining research objectives to constantly evaluating and adapting. So, embrace the possibilities offered by ChatGPT and embark on your journey towards market research excellence today.